This is a video documentation of a crime scene conducted by Cherdin Mamanda, assigned as crime scene photographer or videographer. This recording is made on April 29, 2026 at approximately 3:40, located at Jose Rizal Memorial State University, Katipunan campus. This video is part of the official documentation of the incident under investigation. The scene has been secured and remains in its original condition at the time of recording. Is now positioned outside the premises, showing the exterior view of the location. Visible in the video is the front portion of the structure, including the main entrance. No visible disturbances are observed in this area at this time. The camera is now focusing on the main entrance of observe or signs of possible focus entry, including to the door and lock. The camera is now entering the interior of the scene. The video shows the general layout of the room, including furnitures and surroundings objects. Items appear to be in a disturbed condition, indicating possible struggle of unlawful activity. The camera is now directed toward the location of the victim. The victim is observed lying in a supine position on the floor. No physical contact has been made with the body prior to this documentation. Visible injuries are noted, which will be further examined by authorized personnel. The camera is now focusing on a piece of evidence marked as evidence marker number 1. This appears to be a cartridge cases located approximately at 5 meters from the victim. The item has not been touched or moved prior to this recording. The video is now shows the special relationship between the victim and unidentified evidence. This includes the distance positioning of objects within the scene. This concludes the video documentation of crime scene. Recording is stopped at approximately 4:15 p.m. This video will be preserved as part of the official evidence and handled in accordance with proper chain of custody procedures.